Today we have the 2021 Toyota Hilux. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen, we can access navigation, audio, smartphone integration, apps, information, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats, lane assist, and hill descent control.